Dan Mafia, and see what we are dealing with today, man. We're back in the reaction lab. Yo, today we got fully bad. The one that name Bounce Up, and the one that on the Dirty Money Riddim gang. I'm gonna check it out and see what I'm going. I'm wondering why he don't have a video. Is this official? Did he get authorized or nah? Let me know, gang. Did fully bad get authorized or not? Is me coming wonder why he don't got a video? Everybody else got a video. They got Russian in it. So what's going on with you, man? As me answer, so we know how I go and gang. We jump right now. We're not going to vibe much longer. We're gonna check it out. Fully bad. Bounce up. Yeah, man. Dirty Money Riddim. Let's get it.
Yo, me love you, bad girl. Let me a fuck. Fully. Miss clean and tight, take a seat and ride.
I love the bad girl, them, man. I love the good girls too. You see me answer, yeah.
Love when you unleash your demon side. Your pussy fat, your jaws lean one side, and you bring one vibe.
My jaws lean one side. Easy, man.
Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat.
Aye, it's a vibe. I like it.
Till it clump up fat. Yeah, pop one pill in a she rum cup. Don't in your throat like.
Okay, nah. That's a pop one pill in a rum cup. Nah, bro, that sound predatorish, bro.
Like PP pluck. Don't in your hole like PP pluck. You fuck gunman. You love gun but hold on. Bend over, touch your toe.
Said down in your hole like PP clock.
Now, mama go fast. Hold on, they slow down. Take time. You're better than the girl in a porn up. Open your mouth, make my come by your board tongue. Underneath you clean, skin out. You know.
Yeah, man. Open your mouth, come by your board tongue. Under you to clean, mama. For you know what I'm saying? Clean. I never shot a man yet. Never said a man go hospital. You know?
I carry the gold, galang while on the body. Post when you pillow. Pose with it like you a snap a video. I never grave your pussy get big. Your body bong.
Facts. I agree, mama, you ain't get big.
Pose with it like you a snap a video. I never grave your pussy get big. Your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut.
Hey, mama. You don't say you want dance. You want beat up. You like, hey, you see me? Like, you can't go chop them. What go and
you want sit so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Yeah, pop one pill in a she rum cup. Don't in your throat like pee.
I ain't a fan of that line. It remind me of Rick Ross. She ain't even know it type shit. You know, she ain't know. Yeah, I don't like that. Pop a pill in a rum cup. Unless it's consensual. Unless she asks for that shit.
Pluck. Don't in your hole like pee. Pluck. You fuck gunman. You love gun but. Big up every go. Big up.
Mad girl lot. You see me, she fuck old man. She like gun butt. Come on now, mama. You looking at your face with the machine.
Every bad slut, me give you enough money for me get me cock suck. Me give you more, me no name Valdo. All your bad so, you no care.
Whoa. Did he throw shots at Ski Master or Valdo? What the bungo jungle? Well, I never followed it here.
You love gun but big up every go.
Yeah.
Big up every bad slut. Me give you enough money from me get me cock suck.
Big up every go, big up every bad slut. Me give you if I ain't get me. What you ask about Valdo?
Give you more, me no name Valdo. All your bad so.
Man say me give you more, me no name Valdo. I don't know.
You no carry bad luck.
You don't know that Japanese.
In your wall, you find your match. You like the cock design.
Oh, me give you more. Me no name Valdo more. Oh shit, dog. I'm slow as shit. I'm slow. Okay, Valdo more. Me give you more, but me don't name Valdo. Okay, alright. Because dog name Valdo more. Me I give you more, but me don't name Valdo. Alright, I got it. Woo! Bring that shot circuit a while ago. You see me?
I'm cocky don't shot like China flat on me a bus.
I must be contact him and say, yo, fully bad this Valdo.
Now your face, your eyes feel laugh. Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Yeah, pop.
Easy now, man. Till it clump up, man. You see me, you see?
One pin in a she rum cup. Don't in your throat like pee. Pluck. Don't in your hole like pee. Pluck. You fuck gunman.
Yo, don't you know like PP clock? Bro, usually when they use it, it's like, yo, you love follow back as well like PP. You know them there, they back of them PP clock. So yeah.
I love gun but miss clean and tight, take a seat and ride. Love when you unleash your demon side. Your pussy fat.
I'm money clean and time, mama. You see me have a seat and ride, mama. You
just lean one side and you bring one vibe. Bad bitch, broke it off. Take it out of your wall, suck it off.
Whoa. She go ahead, you know what I'm saying? And do the things them, boy.
You know the fuck you must say, Obia. Shit, just bubble like soddy bath. Make your body bounce up. You want
to bubble like soddy bath.
You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so, you want turn so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Yeah, pop one pin.
Yeah man, body till it clump up, man. You see me? I say, but why you not have a video, bro? Everybody else got a video. What's up with you, fully bad? It's not authorized or something, dog. What go on?
Dung inna your throat like pee pluck. Dung inna your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman, you love gun butt.
Oh, you like gun butt, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up fully bad. Yeah, man, the one that name bounce up. Yeah, man, it's got a vibe. It definitely got a vibe. So I don't understand why you don't have a video. Everybody else have a video. They even got Russian in it. So why Russian in this and why you don't have a video? Or the video coming soon, gang? Let me know, man. Let me know what's going on. Is this the video pending or what? Or is this not authorized? Do you put a Briscoe, a pre-Russian move? A pre-Russian Briscoe move where dog say, yo, this a go up. Now I dare boy if take it down. That you pull fully bad. Cause if that you're doing it, you shouldn't do that. You should get the authorized the right way. Because it is a dope track, man. And it would have been, I know it would have been even more fire if you had a video to it. You see me? You had a video to it. Russian night video, girl them night video. You don't know the real colorful vibe Russian be going through, the saturation and everything. Yeah, man, this song would even do even more, do better and more numbers. So, wow, go on. Is this like, is it not authorized or you have a different track? Come on, cause I remember how Briscoe the preview, gimme and then he preview broad tickers and end up with two of them. Is this like the throwaway track? Wow, go on, let me know. Cause this song is fire. You see me? My girl bounce up. You know, when I love gun, but you see, so it does have a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's fully bad becoming so smooth on the track though. You see me? I say so smooth. Sometimes it's punchline and stuff go over people's head. I think fully bad didn't get just a little bit more aggressive on his tracks. You see me? I say to give it a more vibe, but yeah, man, fully bad, yo. You see me? Song bad. You see me? Wish it had a video like everybody else. So I think this the only reason go hold this track back is because it don't has a video. It doesn't have a videos yet. I don't know if he is gonna drop a video eventually. I don't know if this is authorized. This should just cause more speculation, ask more questions than it's all, bro. Like, why you the only one that drop on this rhythm don't have a video? Why Russian, is it not authorized or what, man? I don't know, gang. But bad tune, big up yourself, fully bad. Keep doing your thing, gang. Hopefully see a video from it soon. Hopefully it gets officially authorized soon and all that good stuff. You don't know. The next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. If I like, go show that to some love and support. You don't know, we could chop it in my comment section. I don't know. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.